Hey guys, this is Hurricane Center here, bringing you guys a tropical update on the remnants of tropical depression Bill, which is over Oklahoma right now, just to the east of Oklahoma City. It has stopped raining there, and it's still raining in Tulsa, Oklahoma, but gradually, guys, this thing's gonna head right towards Joplin, Springfield, over to St. Louis. And St. Louis and southward could get nailed with rain by the system. And you guys can see the turn looks more like this right now. Looks like it's going to go like that, but it'll turn more sharply east because of this thing. Because this thing is going to prevent it from moving any farther north and the ridge, so it's going to have to find this path like right around here that it's going to have to take. And you guys can see that it's pretty well ventilated right now. You guys can see that the ventilation right here. This is going to be prone for some maybe severe weather, probably over here. You can tell that this part is getting absolutely nailed by rain right now. It's really not moving that much. And as we look at the radar right now, this is the Tulsa, Oklahoma site, pretty much in the next road. Yeah, it's the radar site. You guys can see it. Here's Tulsa right here. Tulsa's right here. If we put on the roads, well, they don't have it, but here's a Tulsa radar site. You guys can see they're getting absolutely nailed with heavy rain. It's really not even really that moving that much. And this one is probably going to cause some big flooding, and you can tell this thing is not moving that fast, and that's why it's not going to be here. Oh, it's got to refresh. It's probably got to get a new frame. It's not really going to be moving that fast, guys. It's gonna get picked up right now. It's not in a big steering environment. It's gonna move slowly to the northeast right now, but most likely it'll turn northeast over here, over to the border of Missouri. As we look at the rain precipitation model, I don't have Tulsa in here because I'm more concerned about this area. Here's 2 hours. You can see you can see the storm right around here. It's moving towards, actually, the NAM 4 kilometers, moving a little bit further south, actually, towards Arkansas, but it's moving in north. And this is what I'm concerned about right here. These red pockets, pink, those things will produce a ton of rain. And then, of course, we get another. Look at this thing. This looks humongous. Look at the ratio almost. This is what I'm really concerned about. If we go over to the go back, and we go over to the total precipitation, and we can see how much precipitation that's accumulated. You know, I don't even know. I can't even look at these totals. We'll just keep scrolling down until we get to about 35 hours. Probably that's when it's gonna start. Probably not. It's just starting there actually. So we're gonna go 60 hours. You can just see, man. Look at these totals. I actually gotta scroll over here if I can. Just gonna scroll over here. Yeah, you guys can see that over here it's just pockets of, some pockets of 10 to 11 inches, maybe even 12 in some areas over here by Carbondale. You can see this band over here as stalling and producing 3 to 4 inches of rain. Wherever that thing sets up, it could cause trouble. But as we look at the total precipitation in Oklahoma, you guys can see that it's just dumb buckets of rain. I mean, look at this. Oklahoma City, you got an inch to an inch and a half. There's a sharp cutoff just to the west of you that there's by El Reno. There's really not, but this is the area that just got dumped on. Look at the current radar; it's really not showing like anything anymore. But they're pretty much done with it. But look at this: 8 to 10 inches probably in there, maybe locally even a foot. We've reported 11 inches in some places. If we go over to the Tulsa radar site, it's not done raining there yet, but I can tell you there's probably gonna be some pretty good not snowfall totals, guys. I'm not talking about snow yet. You guys can see right here. It's actually kind of weird looking at the radar site because it moves it further north. But you guys can see that it's already dropped 3 to 4 inches of rain. Right now in Tulsa, probably 1.5 inches to 2 inches. Not as bad though, but it's pretty much mostly rain. It's gonna be a rain event, guys. That's it. And you guys can just see this system just gonna pull out a ton of rain. Right here is this little shortwave trough right here, little shortwave right here, and it's just digging down, and it's just, gosh, it's just gonna. It's going to cause a lot of trouble around here. If you live to the south, St. Louis, near Carbondale, I would be monitoring the system very closely, and I would be watching the rivers and watching the National Weather Service in Lincoln, and probably St. Louis or Carbondale. Lincoln doesn't really get out that far. If you're going to St. Louis, then stay tuned to the National Weather Service. Remember, turn around, don't drown. Not worth it, guys. just turn around and just don't risk your life, because I've seen people just go in there and they've had a lot of trouble with that. But most likely this thing will be moving. I think it's going to be moving across the little tip of Little Rock, no, not Little Rock, little tip of Arkansas, and moving over here north of Cairo, right around Carbondale. I think it's gonna hit Carbondale pretty good. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoy this kind of a short tropical update. You know, it's not really a tropical system anymore. It's a remnants of it. It's just all this moisture is just tucked in here, and pretty much it's not going anywhere, guys. It's just gonna keep moving east. And let's look at the actually, let's just go back, and I want to see what the European says about this rainfall in the Northeast, because I'm kind of interested, because I've seen some pretty good totals. You know, here's a system right here. We go over to about 40. You go to 96 hours. It's over here. 120. Actually, it really doesn't put a lot of rainfall. Actually, the ECMWF doesn't put a lot of rainfall. But yeah, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'll be coming out with a new video soon. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.